Guide is really only thing pressuring Amazon stock, says D.A. Davidson's Gil Luria, D.A. Davidson head of technology research, and Scott Devitt, Wedbush managing director, joins Closing Bell Overtime to talk Amazon earnings.
Amazon shares slide as weak revenue, AI spending rattle investors. Amazon joined Microsoft and Google parent Alphabet in posting slowing cloud growth in last year's fourth quarter.
Amazon earnings report. Closing Bell, comprehensive cross-platform coverage of the U.S. market close on Bloomberg Television, Bloomberg Radio, and YouTube, with Alex Steele, Scarlett Fu, Caroline Hyde, Carol Massar, and Tim Stenovec. More on Bloomberg Television and markets. Like this video?
Fusion Fuel announces decision by Nasdaq hearings panel Dublin, February 6, 2025. Globe Newswire. Fusion Fuel Green plc, Nasdaq HTU. Fusion Fuel or the company, a leading provider of comprehensive energy engineering, advisory, and supply solutions, today announced that the Nasdaq hearings panel has found the company in compliance with Nasdaq Listing Rule 5550B1, requiring minimum stockholders' equity of $2,500,000, and granted the company's request for an exception to EBIT.
Nasdaq 100. Amazon stock drops 4% after hours. Despite strong Q4 earnings beat, Amazon beats Q4 estimates, but weak Q1 guidance sends shares down 4% after hours. Traders eye AWS growth and retail trends for market direction.
Wall Street today. S&P 500 and Nasdaq edge higher. Dow drops amid earnings focus. The U.S. stock market was little changed on Thursday, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite holding modest gains, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped. Investors assessed a mixed set of corporate earnings and looked ahead to Friday's key jobs report.
Pinterest jumps more than 27% on better-than-expected guidance. CNBC's Julia Boorstin joins Closing Bell Overtime to talk Pinterest earnings.
Pinterest beats revenue goals, EPS lags. Pinterest recorded its first billion-dollar quarter in Q4 2024, driven by strong revenue and user growth, despite missing earnings expectations.
Pinterest's stock is soaring as platform gets more users and hits its first $1 billion sales quarter. Pinterest grows its monthly user base by 11%, and quarterly sales top $1 billion for the first time.
Fortinet exceeds Q4 EPS forecasts. Cybersecurity solutions provider Fortinet, FTNT minus 0.33%, reported fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings on Thursday, February 6, that showed significant growth across key financial metrics. The company delivered adjusted earnings per share, EPS, of 74 cents, surpassing analyst expectations and marking a 45% year-over-year increase.
Earnings alert. FTNT Fortinet, FTNT, traded higher in its post-market earnings beat. George Tsoukalos joins Caroline Woods to discuss what's driving the cybersecurity stock higher and how it relates to its peers like Palo Alto Networks, PANW.
Fortinet projects quarterly revenue above estimates. Fortinet forecasts its full-year revenue above Wall Street estimates on Thursday, as clients turn to its cybersecurity products to protect their digital operations from rising online threats.
Ralph Lauren Corporation, RL. Q3 2025 earnings call transcript. Ralph Lauren Corporation, NYSE-RL, Q3 2025 earnings conference. Call February 6, 2025, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Company participants Corinna Vanderginst. Investor Relations Patrice Louvet, President and CEO Justin Pacici, Chief Financial Officer Conference. Call participants Jay Sol, UBS Laurent Vasilescu, BNP Paribas Matthew Boss, JP Morgan Dana Telsey, Telsey Advisory Group Michael Benetti, Evercore ISI John Kernan.
RL Q3 earnings beat. Stock up on strong holiday result and FY25 view. Ralph Lauren's fiscal Q3 results reflect strong holiday performance, growth across all the regions, and driving an improved FY25 outlook.
Stock of the day. How to trade a Ralph Lauren reversal. Ralph Lauren Corp. RL shares are trading much higher Wednesday than tax. The company reported results well in excess of analyst estimates.